Guys, quick update. We're out here on the Atlantic already. We just left the inlet and we're dealing with these 6-foot waves and rogue waves. And oh my god, here we go. These 6 feet swells. Having some trouble. Alright, get back to you when we get some fish.
Alright, Harry's all yours. Crank it, baby.
Double.
Woo! Got two. Double bonita. Is he running? Did my boy catch a sailfish?
We got a king on there.
Yep, king mackerel or barracuda. Probably a king mackerel.
Let him run if he wants to run.
You got him, babe.
Whoa, let him run. Nice fish. Folks, give Friday a little room there, okay? Give him a room, guys. Girls. Alright, nice king fish.
Woo! Sweet.
Oh, you keep them?
Yeah, we keep him.
Aaron, get up there with that fish.
Get in that fish,
Alright,
babe.
my sister Billy has she's got a sailfish. She's got a full-size sailfish. And it's right under the water.
We're coming up to the creek. We're going to go ahead and bring this fish in the boat?
Yeah, we want to see it.
Misty, bye.
Whoa!
I gotta get by.
I see him.
Now we're looking for a word to line at. Back close. You don't have to jerk up, just keep your eyes on the handle.
Got yourself sailfish, babe.
There's the trophy fish right there, guys. Guys, that's the trophy size one, that's the full grown one. That would be a nice amount for you guys. On Christmas right there.
Real, baby. Real, baby. Real. I don't see him. Where is he?
I feel it.
You feel him? Where's the jump? You want me to take over? Huh?
No, I got next. You can't do it, I got next.
Just keep your eyes on the book, sweetheart. If you can't turn that handle, so let him run. What's he doing? Turn that clicker on so I can hear what's going on with that fish. Okay, once we get things going, get it all clear, you can back down on the fish. It's going to make it easier for you. Keep running away. Line coming out, sweetheart, talk to me.
Is he pulling?
Slow take right. Do not turn the handle.
I don't know.
Stop. Stop.
Don't turn the handle.
Yeah, look.
There's no need to make sure that we're clear.
He's running. You can see, look.
Line's going out, let him go out, okay?
When he stops.
Backing up the boat a little bit, trying to make it easier on him. Now you can start turning it.
Start cranking again. Come on, baby, let's get one jump.
Right now. Y'all keep your eyes out. Coming up on the surface here.
Look looking for a jump.
Sweetheart. You're doing an awesome job.
Wow, that was a lot of line. Keep going.
You don't want to be caught.
He's hiding again.
Doing an excellent job. Doing an awesome job. Real as fast as you can.
I saw his head. I know he's there.
Wind down. Real, wind all the way down. Wind the rod tip down. There you go. Lift up, wind down. Wind the rod tip down.
Reel.
There you go. Stop. Lift up nice and slow.
And then reel down. There you go.
Lift up nice and smooth. Strong fish here. Definitely a full-grown one.
How you doing? You getting tired?
There he is.
Oh, we got the jump! We got the jump!
I got it.
We got the jump!
We put him in the boat or what? Dad, Mom? Real. Real, let her go. I can get that fish up for 13. Right around 13, 1400. Should we do it? Let's do it right now. Yes, no, Dad, come on.
Dad, come on!
No, I can't.
Release that on him. Get on the road, then match it. Watch out, step back, everybody back. Hey, Gaffel, put him in the boat. Get Gaffel, get him on the boat. Get him a shot in the back or something. Watch out, coming down. Stop reeling.
Jeez. That,
Rose, get
hey
over there.
Sean, this is for you, man. Look at this big sailfish. He's beautiful. Oh my God.
We're gonna save him. We're gonna put him back. He'll be fine.
7-foot fish.
7-foot sailfish.
Footers.
Woo!
Yay!
Turn over here.
Quick.
Sit on the back.
You gotta hurry, man. He's tired. Hurry.
Hurry!
Down the fish.
Oh, I don't want to hold the
Grab hold of them.
Where?
Just underneath.
grab him.
Woo! Look at that.
All right.
Let him go.
Awesome.
Let him go.
Awesome.
Awesome, baby. Come on, buddy. Wow. Catch and release, baby. Beautiful fish. Wow.
Congratulations, folks. Catch a nice big